How do you use lavender oil for hair? In this video, I'm going to be covering 5 ways to use lavender essential oil for hair. Coming up. Hey, what's up? Melinda here as the oil coach, bringing you tips, tricks, and ideas for using your essential oils so you can live healthier, happier lives. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. And at any time during the video, feel free to check out the show notes and links in the description below this video, where I'm going to be sharing some additional helpful resources. And be sure to stick around until the end because I'm going to be sharing some great recipes for using lavender oil for your hair. Now let's jump into the video. So lavender essential oil has some great benefits for our hair, and if you're not familiar with what those are, then check out my video that I'll link in the description below, all about the benefits of lavender essential oil for our hair. But the question is, how exactly do we use or apply the lavender oil for our hair? Well, the first way is to actually massage the lavender oil into our scalp. So what we want to do is just put a few drops of lavender in our hand and then massage it into our scalp. And the best time to do this would be right before brushing your hair, or after showering or taking a bath, or right before going to bed. And with this application, you'll also reap the benefits of the calming and relaxing aroma of the lavender oil as well. Now, applying lavender this way would be great for supporting hair growth and for scalp benefits. Now, I have 4 more ways to use lavender for your hair to share with you, but it's very important to point out the fact that the quality of the lavender oil that you're using is very important. With applying the lavender right to our scalp, it has a very close proximity to our brain. So we want to make sure that we are using only the purest, best quality essential oil that we have available to us. I have done a lot of research on the purity of oils, and I definitely encourage you to research it as well. And if you'd like to check out the lavender oil that I personally use, or if you'd like to check out my masterclass where I cover the purity of oils as well as the top 10 recommended oils and their uses, then check out the links in the description down below. Our second way to use lavender oil for our hair is to add lavender oil to our hair products. So we would simply add the essential oil to our palm with our shampoo or our conditioner before lathering it into our scalp or our hair. Okay, application number 3 would be to just simply add a couple of drops to our palm and rub our hands together and run them all through our hair. And not only will our hair receive topical benefits from the essential oil this way, but we'll also enjoy the aromatic benefits of carrying the soft scent around with us in our hair all day long. Our next way number 4 to use lavender for our hair is to put a few drops in a small spray bottle with water and then evenly apply the essential oils to your hair or your scalp. Just make sure to shake it well before each use. And then our 5th and last way for today, before I go into our bonus recipes, is to use a lavender hair mask once a week. This gives us all the great benefits of lavender oil for our hair care, keeping our hair looking healthy and smelling awesome. Now, you can come up with your own recipe for a hair mask, or you can try the recipe that I'm going to be sharing with you here in just a second. But if you're someone that likes to show off your love for essential oils, then check out the link below to my Etsy shop, where I have an ever-growing selection of oily t-shirts and other items that you can get for yourself or as a gift for your oily friends. Now, like I mentioned, our first recipe is a great natural hair mask. So what you'll need for this is a 1/2 cup of honey, a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, and a 1/3 cup of fractionated coconut oil. And then you're going to have 3 drops of lavender and 3 drops of rosemary essential oils. Now, what we're going to do is combine all the ingredients together and apply them to our damp hair and let it sit for at least 20 to 30 minutes. And then we'll just wash the mask out with our shampoo and follow it with conditioner. Our next recipe is for if you have dry, damaged hair. It is a deep hair conditioner. So what you'll need for this one is 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, not the fractionated coconut oil, but the solid coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and 8 drops of essential oils. Now, a few great essential oils for your hair would be lavender, peppermint, rosemary, geranium, and even clary sage. And you can use one of these essential oils in your blend or all 5 of them. Then what we're going to do is put all the ingredients in a mixing bowl and mix it on medium to high speed for about 5 minutes or until the ingredients are whipped to a thick and creamy consistency. And after it's whipped, then we can apply it to our clean, dry hair and comb it through with a wide tooth comb to evenly distribute it. And then we can let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes it, and then of course rinse it and shampoo it and style it however we'd like. And we can do this once a week or as often as we'd like. And then our third and final recipe for today is a scalp buildup cleanser. And this is an apple cider vinegar rinse to help restore and balance the natural pH level of our hair and to get rid of extra buildup without stripping our hair of its natural oils. So this mixture cleanses and refreshes our hair, making it soft and shiny and easy to work with. So what we're going to need is 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 8 tablespoons of water, 8 drops of rosemary oil, 6 drops of lemon oil, and 4 drops of grapefruit oil. And we're going to combine all these ingredients in a small glass bowl and stir it up. And then we're going to comb it through our dry hair, and the acids in the mixture will remove any oil or any dirt or sulfate buildup. We're going to let the mixture sit in place for about 20 minutes, and then we're going to rinse our hair in the shower and continue with our normal shampoo and conditioner routine. Now, if you would like the PDF of these recipes, as well as some other incredible recipes for our hair, then check out the link in the description below. Now, click or tap the screen here to check out my video all about the benefits that lavender essential oil has on our hair, or click or tap the screen here to learn all about the benefits of smelling lavender essential oil. And I'll see you in the next video.